我去！
我怎么走啊？太危险了！哇，这水平实在太大了！
到前面来了。
Typhoon Dolphin hits China. Year's strongest storm triggers mass evacuations and flood risks. Typhoon Dolphin has made landfall in China, ranking as one of the strongest tropical cyclones to strike the country this year. The storm brought high winds and heavy rainfall to China's east coast after previously battering Okinawa Prefecture in southern Japan. The arrival of Typhoon Dolphin prompted a high state of alert among the government and local authorities. The threat stemmed not only from strong winds, but also from extreme rainfall capable of causing major flooding, flash floods, and landslides, particularly in mountainous areas and regions along riverbanks. According to Chinese meteorological authorities, Typhoon Dolphin made landfall near Yuhuan, Zhejiang province, at approximately 5:30 p.m. local time on Sunday. Upon reaching land, maximum wind speeds near the storm center reached around 151 kilometers per hour, a strength equivalent to a Category 1 storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Although classified as Category 1 on that scale, Dolphin's impact was extensive due to the combination of strong winds and extreme rainfall. These conditions forced areas along China's east coast to implement emergency measures to protect the public. Before reaching China, Typhoon Dolphin had already struck the Okinawa region of southern Japan. The storm reportedly injured at least 6 people and caused power outages, affecting more than 50,000 buildings. As it moved toward China, the threat posed by Dolphin intensified because the storm entered a region characterized by dense populations and busy transportation networks. Shanghai was among the cities to feel the direct impact. Shanghai authorities evacuated at least 30,300 people as a precautionary measure against the storm. Flight operations were also significantly disrupted. Around 1,500 flights in Shanghai were canceled, according to flight tracking data provider Veriflight. The disruption forced thousands of passengers to alter their travel plans. Some travelers were even compelled to extend their stay in the city after their flights were canceled due to weather conditions. A 42-year-old traveler from Guangdong, identified as Chen, said he was stranded in Shanghai after his family's flight, originally scheduled for Sunday, was canceled. His family was subsequently rebooked on a flight for Monday evening around 10:00 p.m. However, they remained uncertain whether the flight would actually depart, given that weather conditions were still being affected by Typhoon Dolphin. According to Chen, people from Guangdong are quite accustomed to dealing with tropical storms. Nevertheless, the situation illustrates how typhoons can disrupt daily life, even for residents familiar with extreme weather phenomena. Meanwhile, authorities across various regions have continued to ramp up preparedness measures. Offshore workers have been relocated to safer areas. Ships have been ordered back to port, while inspections of reservoirs, rivers, mountainous areas, landslide-prone zones, construction sites, and tourist attractions have been intensified. These measures are being taken because the greatest danger following landfall often stems from persistent rainfall. Once the soil becomes saturated, mountain slopes are more susceptible to landslides. Simultaneously, rising river levels can lead to rapid, widespread flooding.
这变成海浪了，已经变成海浪了，路边就有海浪。
Weather forecasts indicate a continued risk of heavy rain in several regions over the coming day. Affected areas include Zhejiang, Shanghai, northern Fujian, northeastern Jiangxi, central and southern Anhui, and most of Jiangsu.
太危险了！它根本没有办法前行，它停在这里动不了。
Some areas in central and eastern Zhejiang are even expected to receive between 250 and 500 millimeters of rainfall. This is a substantial amount that could heighten flood risks, particularly if the rain falls heavily over a short period or persists for several hours. In Zhejiang province, the city of Wenzhou carried out large-scale evacuations. More than 900,000 people were relocated from areas deemed at risk, while over 1,000 emergency shelters were prepared to accommodate those who had to leave their homes. In Fujian province, authorities also evacuated approximately 98,900 people from areas assessed as high risk. This measure was taken as a precaution before weather conditions deteriorated.
要走了，还有这么晚的呀！ 我们刚好上来看到他飘走哎，我们这是幸还是不幸啊？ 它是不是有什么勾着呀？
下面也是有那个
船锚吧？哇，这么大！哎呀，这么大！